Hi guys, when you close your Nissan Sentra, it will make this beeping sound, the horn will work. There's a way to change that. You have to press the lock and unlock buttons together at the same time, press and hold. It will beep first and then it will blink like that, and now look at that. When I lock it, it won't make this sound anymore. So I will unlock the vehicle and I will lock it again. Now it's locked and there is no sound. So this way you can turn it off, and if you want to turn it back on, same idea. Press and hold these two buttons together. Unlock and lock. Now it will make a sound, and now every time you lock the vehicle, it will make this sound again.